Assalamu alaikum and hello my beautiful YouTube family. I thought sun is out, why not I share the iconic mint margarita drink recipe with you. This is my particular recipe with a couple of tips and tricks up my sleeve which makes it different from the rest. It gives that beautiful smooth feeling to your tongue when you drink it. So let's begin. The list of the ingredients is given in the description box below, so worry not she. This is going to make about 1 liter of the drink. So let's begin. मैं क्या ठंडा ठार type drink बनाया जाए because it's getting warm. लोगों दे रोज़े भी ने इस drink को ज़रूर बनाना ते मैंने दुआवां देना ते अपनी ख़ास दुआवां च याद रखना ते मैंने comment करके भी दसना कि क्या हो जाए तानू लग गया. I have been requested for this recipe so many times I can't even remember. I have just lost the count, to be honest. So what I've done is I've put everything in the blender apart from one thing, which is the taste giver, to be honest, which will come in the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to strain it through cheesecloth and a strainer. So basically I'm sieving it twice. This method will give it a really velvety feel, the one that we're always after. This is what makes my mint margarita different, and there is another one which is coming after this, the second tip, so stay tuned. So what I've done is I've squeezed the living lights out of it, and there you can see a beautiful green color. I asked my son to taste it and he said it needs a little bit more sugar, so I have added, this is ground sugar, normal granulated sugar, just ground, nothing else. The second thing that I'm adding is this beauty. It's Appletizer. Basically it's apple juice carbonated, 100% apple juice, no additives, no nothing. So you can replace it by all means with a can of Sprite, well, 2 cans of Sprite because this was 750 ml, and that's it. Mix it, serve it on a loads of crushed ice and serve immediately. रोज़े तारन दी दुआवां लो ते मैनू याद रखो अपनी दुआवां च खास कर. मेरे चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना. डेकोरेट करो जिस तरह चाहे मर्जी करो और सर्व करो. Till the next video, it's Allah Hafiz from me. Bye bye.